Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best motherboard that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Still struggling with slow performance, unstable Wi-Fi, or a motherboard that can't keep up with your Ryzen CPU? Or maybe your PC is missing modern features like PCIe 4.0, fast LAN, or stable overclocking support? If yes, your motherboard might be holding your entire setup back more than you think. Meet the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2, a powerful ATX gaming motherboard built for AMD Ryzen 3rd Gen and beyond. This board is packed with serious performance features. AMD B550 chipset with support for Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series CPUs. PCIe 4.0 support for ultra-fast GPU and NVMe SSD performance. Built-in Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth for next-gen wireless speed and stability. 2.5 gigabits Ethernet LAN for ultra-low latency gaming and streaming. HDMI 2.1 output for high-resolution display support. Aura Sync RGB and addressable Gen 2 headers for full customization. BIOS flashback for easy updates without CPU or RAM installed. Strong VRM design for stable overclocking in long gaming sessions. Pros: excellent performance and stability. Great connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E plus 2.5 gigabits LAN. PCIe 4.0 future-proofing. Premium build quality and BIOS features. Cons: DDR4 only, no DDR5 support. Slightly expensive compared to basic B550 boards. Wi-Fi performance depends on environment. This motherboard is perfect for mid to high-end gaming PCs, content creators and streamers, users upgrading Ryzen 5000 builds, anyone wanting a stable, future-ready AM4 platform. At around $139.99, it offers strong value for a feature-packed B550 motherboard. If you're building a serious Ryzen gaming PC, this is a solid long-term investment. Number 4. Meet the GIGABYTE B550MK, a budget-friendly micro ATX motherboard built for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. This motherboard delivers solid performance for its price. AMD B550 chipset with support for Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 CPUs. PCIe 4.0 support for faster GPU and SSD performance. Dual M.2 slots for high-speed NVMe storage expansion. 3+3 power phase design for stable everyday performance. Gigabit LAN, GBE, for reliable wired internet connection. DDR4 memory support up to 3200 MHz and beyond, OC. QFlash support for easy BIOS updates without CPU or RAM. Compact micro ATX design fits smaller PC builds. Pros: very affordable price. PCIe 4.0 supported budget level. Dual M.2 slots for storage flexibility. Good compatibility with Ryzen CPUs. Cons: basic VRM, not ideal for heavy overclocking. Limited USB and extra features. No built-in Wi-Fi. This board is ideal for budget gaming PC builders, entry-level to mid-range Ryzen setups, everyday users and office PCs, small form factor micro ATX builds. At just $69.99, this is one of the most affordable B550 motherboards. Perfect if you want Ryzen 5000 support plus PCIe 4.0 on a tight budget. Number 3. Meet the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 and ATX motherboard built for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series CPUs, packed with modern connectivity and stable performance. This board brings a strong balance of performance and features. AMD B550 chipset with Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 support. PCIe 4.0 support for next-gen GPU and NVMe SSD speeds. Powerful 10+3 power phase design for stable performance. Dual M.2 slots for high-speed storage expansion. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable wireless gaming. Gigabit LAN, GBE, for low-latency wired connection. Modern USB-C port for faster data transfer and compatibility. RGB fusion lighting for customizable aesthetics. PCIe Easy Latch design for easier GPU installation and upgrades. Pros: strong power delivery, 10+ 3-phase. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 included. PCIe 4.0 plus dual M.2 support. Good upgrade-friendly ATX layout. Cons: no extreme overclocking features like higher-end boards. RGB is basic compared to premium models. BIOS may feel simple for advanced users. This motherboard is perfect for mid-range gaming PC builders. Users needing built-in Wi-Fi 6. Ryzen 5000 series upgrade builds. Balanced gaming plus productivity setups. At around $99.99, this board offers excellent value for a feature-rich B550 ATX motherboard. You get Wi-Fi 6, PCIe 4.0, dual M.2, and strong power design, making it a smart mid-range choice for Ryzen builds. Number 2. Meet the GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2, a reliable ATX motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors, offering solid performance at a budget-friendly price. This motherboard focuses on stable gaming performance and essential features. AMD B550 chipset with Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 support. PCIe 4.0 support for faster GPU and NVMe SSD speeds. 10+3 power phase design for stable CPU performance. Dual M.2 slots for high-speed storage upgrades. Front USB-C header for modern case connectivity. Gigabit LAN (GBE) for stable wired internet gaming. QFlash Plus for BIOS updates without CPU or RAM. RGB fusion support for lighting customization. ATX layout with good upgrade flexibility. Pros: strong value for money. Stable 10+3 power design. PCIe 4.0 plus dual M.2 support. Easy BIOS update with QFlash Plus. Cons: no built-in Wi-Fi. Basic audio and extra features. Not ideal for extreme overclocking. This board is great for budget to mid-range gaming PCs. Ryzen 5000 upgrade builds. Users who want stable performance without extra cost. First-time PC builders on a budget. At just $89.99, the B550 Gaming XV2 offers excellent value. You get PCIe 4.0, dual M.2, strong power delivery, and reliable performance, making it one of the best budget ATX Ryzen motherboard choices. Number 1. Meet the ASUS TUF Gaming B550 plus Wi-Fi 2, a durable, military-grade ATX motherboard built for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. This board is designed for stability, performance, and long-term gaming reliability. AMD B550 chipset with Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 support. PCIe 4.0 support for ultra-fast GPU and NVMe SSD performance. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable wireless gaming. 2.5 gigabits Ethernet LAN for ultra-low latency online play. BIOS flashback for easy updates without CPU or RAM. USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports for high-speed data transfer. AuraSync RGB plus addressable Gen 2 headers for lighting control. Strong TUF military-grade components for durability and stability. Pros: very stable and durable build quality. Fast networking with Wi-Fi 6 plus 2.5 gigabits LAN. PCIe 4.0 support for future upgrades. Great thermal and power design. Cons: DDR4 only, no DDR5 support. Slightly higher price than basic B550 boards. RGB is limited compared to ROG series. This motherboard is perfect for serious gamers wanting stability. Ryzen 5000 high-performance builds. Users needing strong Wi-Fi plus fast LAN. Long-term PC builders focused on durability. At $119.99, it sits in the mid-range segment. You're paying for stability, strong networking, and TUF durability, making it a very balanced gaming motherboard. If you're building a powerful Ryzen gaming PC, this is a solid choice. Check the link in the description for the best deal. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe for more PC hardware reviews and builds.